Devin, this gang. Remember what I said about Vino and Vino? How they're so alike. Why do you? He goes, drunk. Why do you have so many knives? You're gonna murder me. A tomato. Wow. Water. Peppers. Pineapple. Spilling. Pizza. Never been this drunk in my entire life. Sorry, you sleep, but